Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning. I'm about to work on the scratches on the door, rear door here, driver's side, quarter panel. I have my trusty sidekick. Didn't mean to disturb you. And we are about to remove scratches from, not her, another dog that must have knew that this is the door that he or she was supposed to enter, because it is scratched to hell. We'll see what we can do. I don't know how deep they are. If they're not through the clear coat, I aim to remove them. On the hood, we did a lot of work turning that hood around, and we did wet sanding. Let's do something different this time. How about on this quarter panel, we'll use the rotary to remove the scratches. And then let me know down in the comment section what you want us to try for the door. I'll leave the door for the next video. So let me bring you in and show you exactly what we're looking at, how much clear we have to work with, how much material, and the improvements that can be made in this particular area here. Seems to be just on the driver's side, and it starts right there at the back door and runs back through the quarter panel almost to the gas door. So today we're going to work on this area, see what we can remove. Again, I don't know how deep it is, the scratches, and then we'll save the door for another time. You can let me know what you want me to try to remove them with. A dual action polisher, which polish. I'd be happy to try your recommendation. All right, the first thing we want to do, let's open the door. That way we don't have to tape it off. It doesn't matter if the interior gets dirty. I didn't touch that yet. And there's a lot of work to get done in there. Plenty of work, but well worth it. We're going to tape off this strip here. And we'll tape off that there. And we'll go back as far as we need to go to remove the scratches. There are some here, some there, most of them right there. And we'll protect this trim in case the backing plate or the pad rub up against it. We don't need to get it dirty either. Down here we'll tape, that's a different color, tape that off, and that should do it. We don't have to mess with anything else. Now, let me get some measurements and see what we have to work with here. There should be about 5 mils worth of the 3 layers of material. I believe when we measured it was about 4.5. Well, 4.1. So we can't really go crazy, but we do have enough material left, clear coat meaning, that we could use the rotary in this area. And if we use a rotary, we're going to have to finish down. We're going to have to swap over to, well, we can finish with the rotary. You can also finish with the dual action polisher and a different pad. So let's start off with the rotary. On this quarter panel, you can see the scratches we're going to be working on. We've got a rotary with the Lake Country hybrid wool pad. Today, we're going to be using 3D ACA 500, the Alpha ceramic alumina abrasive, designed for wool. A great team. Now, just a quick tip. I'm going to work a larger area. I want to cut down on dusting. I want the cycle time to be a little bit longer. I'm going to add a couple drops of the hybrid solution with platelet technology. Gives it just a little bit more moisture, a little bit more oiliness without going overboard, and will extend that open or cycle time. This step is the first step. This will be cutting away some clear coat and hopefully getting rid of some of those scratches along with the water spots, oxidation, and other garbage. Okay, now we're going to take it up to the 3rd speed setting. Okay, so you saw how aggressive I was able to be and how long I was able to work this area just because of adding a couple drops of the Turtle Wax platelet, one and done. I'm going to wipe this off. It's done a pretty damn good job. I'm going to have to do some areas where I couldn't really see too well anymore, so let me wipe off the residue and we'll check and see where we're at. Yes, some good improvements here. I didn't really come back here behind the gas cap. I'm going to make that a section on its own. So let's just concentrate on this area right here. Huge improvements, and I'll let you see. I'm going to close this door so you can see the difference. But there is some left behind I can go over again, especially in this area with the rotary polisher. Well, let me show you that right now. Let me move you back here. Let me shut the door. Look at the difference there. Just with one pass. Nice improvement. We're not done yet. Let's make another pass. Now we wipe off the residue. And we've removed a good, I'd say 85% of those scratches. But because we used the rotary and a wool pad, which is aggressive, left a little hazing behind. So let me go over the area with a different pad. Let me go grab, let's see. We'll grab the Phoenix EOD Fabulous Finishing Polish and an ultra fine pad for a dual action polisher. Let's give that a shot. One of billions of combinations you could use. And just clean things up. That'll take care of that. And this step is nice and easy to wipe off. Oh yeah. As bad as that was, that will do. Panel prep. Okay. Well, let me show you first before we take any measurements. I mean, you could obviously from here see the difference in reflection. See me waving there? Nice crisp reflection. Not so much over here. But we went from this to this. Perfect? No. Some of those were deep into the color coat. But we've made some huge improvements. Somebody walking by the car at 3 feet or further won't even notice that they're there, especially after it's protected. All right, my friends, that will do it for today's video. With the whatever pads you use on this thing, with all the hard water deposits, you got to clean the pads between every pass. It's going to get a buildup. Then they won't be quite as effective. Now, as when it comes to clear coat, we went down to 4 mils. We don't want to go any further than that, so we're going to stop and we're going to protect. We're going to protect heavily and make sure that our wash process and our shop manager, she never jumps up on cars, guys. She's not like that. But I'm going to grab you, bring you in close for a gloss measurement. But from here on out, we don't want to correct it again. .2 to 94. And that took what, 10 minutes, 15 minutes? Okay, guys, what would you like me to test for removing these scratches on the door? I'll save that for you. All requests will be considered and we'll pick up in the next video. Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning, and this one sure as hell needed a lot of reconditioning, but we're doing it. Bye, guys.